This week's design is an L-shaped kitchen with an island. Hi, my name is Konstantinos, and even though I'm not a professional kitchen designer, I was able to redesign this kitchen plan with KitchenWhiz in just a few minutes. And if you want to do the same, just watch this video until the end. I will select the big scale option and, as always, start drawing the walls of the kitchen room first. I'm gonna click once and type the first dimension, which is 497, then is 494, 368, 109, which is the corridor, and I'm just going to close the room shape. Next, we can add the windows and doors. We have one window in the room, which is 205 centimeters, 110 in height, and 105 from the floor. And it's 145 centimeters away from the wall. So like this. Then I'm gonna click save. And we have one balcony door here, which is 250 centimeters in width, 220 in height, and I'm going to add it on the floor plan. 74 centimeters away from this wall. Finally, we have a door on the opposite wall, which is 91 centimeters, 220 in height, and it's placed 95 centimeters away from the wall. Next, we don't have any fixed columns. I'm gonna go with the standard height of 215 centimeters, and I will start drawing the shape of the kitchen, first with the base cabinets. I'm gonna create a corner here, add tall cabinets until the door. As you can see, KitchenWhiz will not allow me to go any further because you cannot have tall cabinets in front of the door, of course. And finally, we are going to add our wall cabinets. Next, I'm going to add an island that is 60 centimeters in depth and 180 centimeters in width. If you want, you can rotate the island. In our case, this is fine like this. I'm gonna move it a bit to the left so that it's centered with the window. And the final step is to add the appliances. I'm gonna add two bowls below the window, a dishwasher on the left. I'm gonna move it with my mouse. I'm gonna add the oven in the tall cabinets, the hob on the island. When adding the hob, you want to make sure that it faces the correct direction on the island. You just click on the hob and move it around with your mouse. I'm gonna leave it in the center, add a hood, a fridge 80 centimeters in the tall cabinets. I'm going to move it to the end. And finally, we don't need a washing machine. And now our kitchen plan is generated. We can see the front views here by clicking on the minimap. And we can see the 3D also. The first thing you want to do is edit the widths of the cabinets and then edit the colors and change the type of the cabinets. So first, I'm gonna start with the tall cabinets, check if everything is okay because this view has less cabinets than the other view. I'm gonna leave it like this, looks good to me. And on this view, what I can do is split this cabinet here, merge this one and change it into drawers, and change the drawers type to this one. Here what we can do is make this a 45 centimeters cabinet, and this one we can make it into a 30 centimeters so that we can merge it with the 15 centimeters and make this a 45 also. We can check the 3D, and this way it looks more symmetrical. And finally, we are going to change the colors of the cabinets. I'm gonna click on any cabinet here, select a matte color. Actually, I'm going to select a wood surface. Let's check out the Masona wood and apply it to all cabinets. And then what I want to do is change the color of the wall cabinets to have a surface of matte white. So you have to select all the wall cabinets and change the surface to matte and white. Doing this one by one for all the wall cabinets. Gonna change the wall view. Do this for these wall cabinets also. And there we have it. If we want to change the color of the island, we can select show island from here, from the right, and change the wall view from the minimap, and select the cabinets again and change the surface to matte for all three cabinets. Now the color of the cabinet of the island is changed also, and we can print this kitchen plan. Thanks for watching this video, we really appreciate it. And if you found this video useful, then click the like button below and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more future videos.